Hello, and thank you for purchasing another premium Bestway product. Over the next few minutes, we will show you how to set up and maintain your new splash and play pool. Please keep in mind, this video is to accompany the printed user's manual and is not a substitute. Pay careful attention to the warnings and safety instructions included in the manual, and be sure to visit your local pool retailer for information on treating the water in your pool. The most important step in setting up your pool is selecting a solid, level location. Be sure to clear the area of any sharp objects or debris. Referring to the printed user's manual, ensure all items are present in your package. Please note, Bestway sells many different product combinations. Not all the items covered in this video will apply to your product. To determine the accessories included with your pool, refer to the pool package. If your pool came with a ground cloth, spread it out over your selected location. Ensure there is adequate room for foot traffic around your selected location. We begin by placing the leg bands on the ground at the approximate locations to where the legs in the middle of the pool will be located. Please note, the number of leg bands required for your pool depends on the size of the pool you have purchased. Spread out the pool, ensuring it is centered on the ground cloth. Check that the inlet and outlet valves are positioned correctly for the filter pump and that a GFCI plug is accessible. Also, make sure the drain valve seal is securely fastened. To prevent water from escaping when filling the pool, insert the stopper plugs into the inlet and outlet valves. Next, we'll assemble the top frame. Slide the top rails into the pool sleeves. Now, insert the top rails into the connectors. Push the top rails towards each other to ensure they are completely in position. At the corners, insert the top rails into the corner seats. Insert the connection pins into the pre-drilled holes, thereby locking the top rails into place. At the short end of the pool, place the vertical pool leg through the loop of the leg band. Attach the footing on the leg and insert it into the connector. Now we'll insert the vertical pool legs into the bottom of the corner seats. On the long sides of the pool, insert either a vertical pool leg or a Y vertical pool leg through the loop of the leg band. Attach the footing on the leg and insert it into the connector. For pools with Y vertical pool legs, connect the side support legs to the Y vertical pool legs. Ensure the spring-loaded pins lock into the pre-drilled holes and attach the footings. You can begin to fill your pool. Once there is an inch of water in the pool, remove any wrinkles from the liner. Work from the center outwards to the pool walls. This is critical to ensure your pool will sit correctly and experience a long life. It's that easy. With the pool filled to 80% capacity, it's time to splash and play and let the summertime fun begin. For customers with pool packages containing Bestway pool accessories and a filter pump, continue to the next section. For customers without filter pumps, be advised swimming pool water must be maintained. We highly recommend you purchase a Bestway Flow Clear filter pump to keep pool water clean and extend your pool's lifespan. The following information is intended for 330, 530, and 800-gallon filter pump installation. Begin by inspecting that the filter cartridge is centered in the filter pump. Before closing the pump, check that the filter cap seal is in place. Attach the hoses to the filter and tighten the hose clamps. Now, connect the hoses to the pool. Make sure the hoses correspond to the letters A to A and B to B on both the filter pump and the pool. Reach inside and remove the stopper plugs. This allows water to follow to the filter pump. Save the stopper plugs for pool and pump maintenance. Place the debris screen into the pool's inlet and outlet valves. With the hoses and the debris screens in position, tighten the hose clamps. Finally, unscrew the air purge and release any trapped air from the system. Your pump is ready to use. Simply plug it into any ground fault circuit interrupter. Warning: never run the filter pump when the pool is in use. Cleaning and maintaining your filter pump is recommended every 2 weeks. Begin by unplugging the filter pump. Next, replace the debris screens with the stopper plugs to prevent water flowing to the filter pump. Remove the filter cartridge and rinse it clean. It is recommended to replace filter cartridges every 2 weeks. Check your local retailer for Bestway replacement filters. Replace the filter cartridge, ensuring it is centered. Check that the filter cap seal is in place and close the filter pump. Next, replace the stopper plugs with the debris screens, which allow water to flow to the filter pump. Tighten the hose clamps. And finally, unscrew the air purge to release any trapped air from the system. Cleaning and maintaining your pool. Some Bestway pools come with pool covers. It is always a good idea to cover the pool when it's not in use to keep the water clean. To drain your pool, unscrew the drain valve cover. Simply attach your garden hose to the provided adapter. Place the other end of the hose in a drain area. Screw the adapter into the valve. This opens the valve and releases the water. If a repair patch is needed, dry the area to be repaired. Remove the patch backing and place the patch over the damaged area. Smooth the surface and remove any air bubbles. At the end of the season, it is important to completely clean and dry your pool and other components before storage. We recommend a wet dry vac to thoroughly dry the filter pump and hoses. To further enhance the lifespan of the filter cap seal, coat the seal with petroleum jelly. Store the pool and other components in a warm, dry place. All these simple steps will ensure your Bestway pool has a long life. If you have any questions about our products, please visit our website at www.bestway-service.com or call our toll-free number for your region. Thanks for watching.